Investing in index funds is a popular and effective way to gain exposure to a broad market and achieve long-term growth. Here's a simplified guide on how to invest in index funds. Understand index funds. Index funds are investment vehicles that aim to replicate the performance of a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. They provide broad market exposure and diversification. Determine your investment goals. Clarify your investment objectives, time horizon, and risk tolerance. This will help you choose the right index funds that align with your goals. Research index funds. Explore different index funds available in the market. Compare factors such as expense ratios, tracking error, fund size, and historical performance. Look for reputable fund providers with a track record of delivering consistent returns. Select a suitable index fund. Choose the index fund that align with your investment goals. Consider factors like the underlying index, diversification, and the fund's approach to tracking the index. Open an investment account. If you don't have one already, open an investment account with a brokerage firm or a financial institution that offers access to index funds. Ensure the platform provides a wide range of index funds to choose from. Determine investment amount. Decide how much money you want to invest in index funds. Consider your financial situation, risk tolerance, and desired level of diversification. Set up automatic investments. Consider setting up automatic investments, such as recurring contributions, to take advantage of dollar cost averaging. This approach helps you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high. Monitor and rebalance. Regularly review your index fund investments and ensure they remain aligned with your investment strategy. Rebalance your portfolio if necessary to maintain your desired asset allocation. Long-term approach. Index funds are designed for long-term investing. Avoid making frequent changes based on short-term market fluctuations. Focus on your investment goals and stick to your strategy. Stay informed. Keep up with the market news, economic trends, and any changes in the index fund you've invested in. This knowledge will help you make informed decisions and adjust your investment strategy when needed.